Hey guys, so in terms of engine package on the performance side, I've gone with a set of Tomei pond cams. They're just some drop-ins. You don't have to do any valve springs or retainers. Along with that, I've got a hand-me-down disco potato here. This is a Garrett GT 180sx RS. So this should be good for about 300 horses. And I've got a Nismo 555 S13 Hatchback to go with it. Let's get these cams out of the box. So these cams paired with the 2860 RS should give me some nice streetable power. I'm not chasing anything too crazy. The car is a daily driver after all, so it should keep it nice and responsive. And they should give me a nice bit of top end. So this is another quality upgrade I've got planned to go with all the engine package, obviously. It's the G-Ready Profect boost controller. This is the newer model one. I really like this one because of the OLED screen. It's just nice and clean and simple. Let's open it up and have a look at it. I mean, it's just such a sleek design. Very slim, very small and compact. Should be nice and discreet inside the cabin. So just a couple of other goodies to go with the engine. Just going to give it a major service basically, so a couple of belts, some timing chain gear here, Tomei rocker arm stoppers, just as a bit of an insurance. Got some engine bling, that's a dipstick safety holder, thought it was pretty cool. Got a new timing chain tensioner to go with it all. So basically the plan is I'm going to run a compression test on the motor. Hopefully it comes up pretty healthy. I've got a gut feeling it's not, but anyway, cross that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, so in the meantime I'm just going to do timing chain. So yeah, along with all the major service stuff, obviously oil filters, fuel filters, all the oils, diff, gearbox, you name it, it's going to get done. If you've been following along on the channel, you would have seen myself, Matt and the other boys rip into Matt's R34. If you haven't, go check out the videos, they're pretty good. Some good laughs in there. So I've managed to score myself a Nismo 5-speed short shifter. Thought it was pretty cool. Because why not? So I've got that to go in. This is just a heavy duty clutch pedal that Nismo offer as well. Sprayed in that brilliant silver, of course. It's just strengthened clutch bracket, that's all. I've actually had a buddy of mine snap his, and he lost his clutch completely and he was stuck. So when it happened to him, I thought, you know what, for $100 bucks, whatever it was worth, I think it's a good investment. So in the last video, I left you hanging with the BR racing bag. So as promised, I open it up and show you what's inside. Now, the reason why it's in a BR racing bag is because when I went to Japan back in 2016, I think, I managed to pick up one of these bad boys, a pivot headlight controller. Now I know you can find them, but they are pretty damn rare. And I was looking for a while to find one of the original ones. This is the RHU M model. And sure enough, when I was in, I can't remember the location, but it was an up garage, had this for sale. We visited the BR garage, left there with some merch, and this was just in a box and plastic bag at the time, so I wrapped it up inside here instead. Thankfully it came with all the instructions, but they're all in Japanese, so Google translated to the rescue. So this might be a little bit anticlimactic for some, being such a small item, but for all the 180
FD and NSX boys, or anyone with pop-up lights for that matter, I'm sure you can appreciate this this finding. Beautiful. Now this is worth an arm and a leg. So I figured if I didn't buy it now, I'd be spewing up there to discontinue it. It's a genuine Nissan front windshield seal. So it comes with all the little corner clips because mine has had it. So that'll be getting replaced at some point. It's got fragile written all over it. Oh, oh. Shit. Alright, getting too G'd. It's been carefully packaged. This is actually a bit of a rarity, but I think I'll show this one today. This is an Apexi front mount, no holes intercooler. That core is surprisingly in very good condition. Mind you, it does have a little bit of surface corrosion, I think. Is it just dust, maybe? I'll have to give that a bath, see if that comes off. Had a hard to find item. Obviously whoever had it had a white 180 or a 13, whatever it came off. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video of the unboxing. Like I said earlier at the start though, I do have a few other bits coming or on order. I'm waiting for some front fenders, the left and rights. I'm trying to find and chase down the front fender protectors, the little bits that sit on the end of the bumper towards the wheel arches, if that makes sense. So I've got to find myself a good pair of them. What else was there? So next video we'll get the car up on jack stands, wheels off, all the suspension out, and all this new Nismo goodness will be going in. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stick around. Thanks for watching. So, in the last video, I promised you I'd show you what's inside my. So in the last video, I showed you the. Oh my god! No, go away.